has some air conditioners up on the roof. Some of these I worked on a little. We haven't had this building in a long time, so this one here lost the job. Our bid was too high, so they got stuck with this. Lovely. No condensate. Thermostat wire not sealed tight. Not secure to the ground. Valve on the gas flexing backwards. Oh yeah. The disconnect box is on the access door. Lost the bid. Too high. Darn. What are you gonna do? Another carrier. Another Day&Night YAC unit. Carrier. Day&Night. Carrier. Dream Classic. Goodman. Carrier. Another carrier. Another old YAC. God, I think these are like 1970. Couple carrier heat pump condenser units. Straight cool, I'm sorry, the perfect computer room. Another YAC. And a couple of other carrier package unit.